Pipe shoes have the advantage that, due to their design, they transfer the load value cleanly into the base plate. Furthermore, they offer sufficient sliding distance to absorb axial changes in the length of the pipe due to their temperature changes. They can absorb more loads than components with threaded rods. The possibility of modifying a basic component in such a way that guiding of fixed points can be realized brings a considerable advantage. Compared to other possible components, the height of the connection does not change and the buildability is not affected. No threaded rod or threaded tube has to be shortened. Tolerances are compensated directly by the pipe shoe without having to buy or adapt new components.